This video is sponsored by Fram, manufacturers of high-quality filters since 1934. Visit fram.com to learn more.
Have you ever performed an oil change and the oil pressure light won't go out? Did you blame the filter? Did you try a second filter? Did you solve the problem? Chances are you might have solved the problem inadvertently, and it wasn't the first filter. During an oil change, when the oil is drained, the oil filter is removed, the oil pickup and the pump can be drained of oil. When the fresh oil is installed, the pickup tube and inlet becomes submerged and air is trapped inside of the tube and also the suction side of the pump. The air trapped causes cavitation of the pump and prevents it from pumping fresh oil when the engine started. This is usually indicated by a pressure light staying on for more than 10 seconds of cranking. When you go to install that second filter, by removing the filter, you are allowing the trapped air in the tube and pump to escape. If it doesn't solve the problem, you might try using an oil squirt can or bottle filled with 30 weight oil to prime the system. First, squirt the oil in the oil filter's base outlet ports on the engine. This is going to be the opening next to the threaded stud. It will not do any good to squirt any oil inside the threaded stud inlet. Next, fill the filter with new motor oil and reinstall it. Crank the engine with either the ignition coils or the injectors disabled. Do not crank for more than 10 seconds. When oil spills out, reinstall the filter and the oil pressure will be back to normal. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.